Hi, I'm Anya, and tomorrow's my uncle's birthday, and this is a picture of him and me. And I really want to make a cake for him, but unfortunately, he doesn't really like cake. So that's what I came up with. Since he doesn't like cake, I thought I'd maybe go with like a wafer box filled with sweets and stack it together to make it a 55 because that's how old he's turning. And give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel.
In a bowl, add 1 egg white, 1.5 cups of icing sugar, add 1/4 cup of icing sugar at a time, 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice, whisk until smooth and glossy. Place 2 wafers next to each other. I cut a bit off on 1 wafer, add raw icing between the wafers. On a 3rd wafer, place raw icing on one side and press onto the base wafer. Add raw icing onto the 4th wafer and press onto the base wafers. Then add raw icing onto a 5th wafer and press onto the base wafers. Cut excess off the wafer. Add raw icing onto the last wafer and press onto the base wafers. To make the lids, add raw icing between 2 wafers, much like the base wafers. Fill the boxes with various sweets and place lids on top of the filled boxes. In a bowl, whisk together 4 egg whites and 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Whisk until smooth and glossy. I colored half of my mixture blue with some food coloring. Mixture out through a star tip and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for an hour and a half. Place wafers to form the number 55 and place the mini meringues on top with a little bit of raw icing. Add raw icing along the border of the boxes and place mini meringues on.